It's open to anybody, but I mean, we'd like to keep the trophy in Wigan because, of course, we won two. We won the Rugby Cup this year and we've won the FA Cup. So I think it's only right that we win. A Wiganer wins it. We do let foreigners, from Bolton, St Helens and places like that come along. If they come from Yorkshire, as long as they've got a passport, I don't mind them entering. But those other people, they don't know how to eat pies. It's really a Wigan competition, to be truthful.
A lot of the guys are skinny. They don't look like they've eaten for a long time. Maybe weeks, months, possibly. So I think a true champion is somebody who's starving, really.
I think the best technique for shoving it down your neck is to squeeze the pie, get it in your hands and was it in your gob and get eating. Simple.
Just go around the other side.
Oh, no.
If you will, choose your pie and hold it over your head. Do not break the pie. Gentlemen, the rules of the competition are very, very simple. There's an empty drop. As simple as that. No dropping any pies, you drop the pie. After the count of three, and get 8 in, you start. 3, 2, 1, get 8 in!
Go on, Jane, in your ball, cunt. No. Go on, then.
Don't spill any, lads. Don't let it.
Too much rust. Come on, Jane, lad. Get that in. Go on, Jane, you get it in. Come on, Jane. What we're doing? Jane, you ain't winning that, pal. Get it in that combat. Come on. Come on, Jane. Come on, Jane, lad. Get it all in one, that. Get it in one. Put it in your pocket, after. Come on, Jane.
An empty nose, remember.
Get that bit in. Get it in.
Hands in the air when you're empty. Mike has got to be empty.
Come on, Jane.
Get in the back here.
This one here.
Remarks. Excellent. Right.
You get a free drink now.
Have you got any gravy?
I opened my gullet. There might have been a little bit that dropped on the floor, but I didn't plan that. I pushed it in as fast as I could, and chewed it as fast as I could. Wasn't easy.
You want a fresh pie, all right?
Need a fresh pie. Yeah. Go on. I'm happy with that.
Yeah, happy with that.
Yeah.
Competition's quite good.